So as I told you yesterday, I've got map from the tourist guide. So this is what I've got is Eacher Road Guide from the Oxford bookstore nearby. And let us see what it has in it. It's a big map. Can you see the map here? This is the map of Bangalore. So it's a big map and we're gonna start from which place? Let's see. We are gonna start from Bangalore railway station. There is Bangalore City railway station, and you can see there's a Kempegoda bus stand. That's what I was telling, that once you exit the railway station, there's a bus stand, very good bus stand. You can go there and catch a bus. And then there's a race course nearby, there's turf club, there's golf course, there are several other places, Bangalore Palace. So we'll be visiting all of them soon. So obviously you'd be asking me कि मेरे को बैंगलोर कैसी जगह लगती है. I would say that okay, when I came here initially तो मेरे को इतनी अच्छी जगह नहीं लगती थी, because I was living in a place named as Whitefield जहाँ से मेरा ऑफिस पास था, and there were a lot of jungles and a lot of places nearby. तो मेरे को लगता था यार ये कैसी जगह है, इतनी छोटी सी जगह है, and there was a lot of traffic congestion, and I was very new to this city, तो मेरे को बिल्कुल भी idea नहीं था कि what kind of place this is, and I never used to like, because I came from Delhi, and Delhi used to look pretty hot in front of it, it used to look very happening in front of it. तो मेरे को लगता था यार बैंगलोर में क्या होता है. So for the last 1.5 years since I've been living here, I came to know a lot about this place, that this place is not at all sad, and you can come here and enjoy this place. So I will actually be rating this place based on what I think about this place. So the first point which I would like to tell you about is the language acceptability. बहुत सारी cities होती हैं जहाँ पे आप जाते हैं, जैसे if you go to Chennai, okay, there's a lot of language problem. लोगों को आप बोलोगे तो उन्हें समझ नहीं आएगा, और they'll say कि we don't know, we don't know English, we don't know Hindi, so can you tell us in Tamil? But in Bangalore, since there are a lot of people coming out from different communities living here, Bangalore में ऐसी कोई problem नहीं है. You're free to speak any language, and people would respond, people would understand, so they won't be really bad to you. They'll help you out with things. And the second topic I would like to say is weather. Weather is pretty good here. If you can see the temperature right now, it's sunny. Very few days are here in Bangalore which is particularly sunny. Most of the days we have cloudy weather or the rainy weather we have. So what I would like to say is that the temperature here in Bangalore, I don't think it should exceed more than 25 degrees. It never does, and the whole season the weather is the same throughout. Even if it's winter or it's summer, the weather would be same throughout. The downside to it is people are more susceptible to allergies, more susceptible to diseases. आप बहुत जल्दी बीमार पड़ते हैं यहाँ पे. You'll get fever, you'll get a lot of other problems, hair fall, कई तरह की चीज़ें होती हैं. The water especially is not very good here. The third thing I would like to say is traffic. यहाँ पे traffic is I would say is pathetic. If you are going anywhere, you have to plan a lot and go to that place. Otherwise, आपकी train छूटनी है, आपकी plane छूटनी है, and a lot of things could happen. So, just because the city is mostly IT city, a lot of people come here, work here, and because the roads are very narrow here, they haven't upgraded it to wider roads. There's a lot of traffic congestion problem. Cost-wise, I would say Bangalore is a very expensive city. I've lived in Calcutta, I've lived in Delhi, I've lived in even in Mumbai. Okay, but I would say Bangalore is pretty costly. Fruits, vegetables, autos, transport, flats, residential areas, everything is costly. So if you're coming to Bangalore, you haven't planned, and I'm telling you, the city is pretty costly, so just plan it accordingly. Shopping wise, I think I like Bangalore. Shopping wise, there are, it's good for me because I love shopping, I love wearing nice clothes. So shopping wise, Bangalore is a very good city. You can just go around, and a lot of malls are there. Garuda Mall is there, and there's Mantri Mall, then there's Phoenix Mall which has recently come up, and a lot of malls which showcase you a lot of movies, like they have INOX theaters, Fame and all that, so you can go and watch. But what I found different is like when I was living in Delhi, तो Delhi में तो काफ़ी fashionable and trendy कपड़े मिलते हैं, but यहाँ पे the trend is a little different, थोड़े different कपड़े मिलते हैं. I don't like it that much, but shopping wise I could give it a 9 on 10. Gateways. Now I could say Bangalore के आसपास काफ़ी जगह देखने के लिए. It's a heaven for people who would just want to go out on weekends. कहीं भी जाना हो, पहाड़ियाँ हैं and waterfall हैं, and there are amusement parks and there are national parks. बहुत सारी जगह हैं यहाँ पे. So there can be more than 50 plus gateways from this place. So it's a very interesting place to live in if you want to go out anywhere on weekends. Activities and events. Now कहीं पे भी आपने नहीं सुना होगा कि people do cycling with such josh and such enthusiasm. Bangalore में कि you come here to get to know about a lot of venues के यहाँ cycling होती है, rock climbing होती है, यहाँ पे paragliding की training होती है. There's some place called Yelagiri, there's some place called Hasageta Lake, there is some sometimes they teach you paragliding there. Then there are a lot of activities. There's kayaking in some resorts, then there's rafting in some of the jungle lodges. So I would say it's a pretty happening place. There are a lot of events taking place. Concerts होते हैं यहाँ पे, सारे music organizations, mostly they come here, they have their own concerts, and अभी recently they had Metallica. So I would say it's a pretty happening place that wise. So I could rate it 9 on 10, or overall I think I would rate it 7. It loses mostly on weather, because I'm pretty allergic to Bangalore weather, maybe traffic and cost.